Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening a Pokemon card pack. Starting with, I've already seen this guy, but it's Staryu. So, we got the Staryu. Sorry that my Pokemon cards are flipping over all the time. There, Staryu. Ooh, I see the shine. Probably not anything too cool. Got a Carablast, a Clefairy, ooh, a Cherubi, oh, a sock. Oh, it's an Octillery. Oh my god. Oh my. I got an Octillery and a Zamazenta V. I got like two rare. Is this one rare? I think so. But I know this one's rare because it has V's. So yeah, I got two whole pretty cool cards. Oh my god. Yes. So I got Dark End because there's not really anything left. I got Vibrava, he's pretty cool. Tropius is one of my favorites. Sorry. Vibrava, Tropius, and then Claydol. So yeah, these are all pretty cool. I'm gonna lay out all of my cards. But oh my god, I got these guys. So cool. So, recap. Sorry, the lighting's bad. Staryu, Claydol. I think these two were pretty cool, but they're 3D. I mean, all Pokemon cards are now kind of 3D. Tropius, I really like Tropius. I tried drawing him. Tropius. I got Vibrava. Vibrava, I don't really like, but I do like Flygon. Got this energy, Dark Energy. Got Sock. I don't really like Sock too much, especially this Pokemon card. This isn't very good. Got Cherubi. I think it's cute. We got Clefairy. Fun fact, Clefairy was going to be the mascot, but then they changed it to Pikachu, so that way boys could enjoy it. And then we got Carablast. I don't really like Carablast, but he evolves into a Escavalier if you trade him. And then we got a cool Octillery. Ooh, shiny. And then Zamazenta V. Hope you enjoyed my another one of my unboxing videos. Those are, if you want to see all my cards in here. So, yep, those are my cards. Hope you enjoyed this Pokemon card video. Anyways, bye!